This is my website based on Spring. Spring uses dependency injection. In dependency injection, a controller needs access to the database connection, and instead of creating a new database connection within the controller, we pass one from the outside. We applied the same rule for everything else that the class needs, and all the external dependencies are passed in as parameters. When everything has been passed in, everything has been injected. Using dependency injection, it makes everything testable, while the entity is easier. Spring also makes heavy use of beans, which is an object that is made available to the rest of the system, which is used for dependency injection. And Spring actually has 4 layers of MVC: the model, which is the permanent data storage for the website; the view, which requests the data from the model and displays it to the user; and the controller, which handles the user's request and updates the models accordingly. Then service is where the business logic is applied. Let's go through the website. This is the model within a view, and we can see this is where the data is stored. And if we want to create a new post, we just click on new post, add a title, hello 23, body 23, and then this will use the post controller to create a post, which we can see is at the bottom. And if you want to update it for the updating CRUD, just click on this and update it. So let's add false to it. As you can see, the post has been updated. And then if you wish to delete it, just press delete, and then it's deleted. In this past 30 seconds, I have shown all 4 methods of CRUD: creating the method using new post, reading the method, which is showed in this table, updating, which is done by this update button, and then deleting by using the delete button. An additional feature I added to my website was a search bar. And all this does is, if I want to search something, for instance, in the body, like 1, it will show the output 1. This will go to the home page. This creates a new page. These have not been added yet, as I've not had time. So all I have is new post, home, and the forum itself. The strengths of Spring is that it's built on Java, which is statistically a well mature language, and it is well documented, and people have been using it for years, so support is available. One of the weaknesses of Spring is that it has a curve. It is a steep learning curve, and documentation may not be that hard to find. When using Spring, you need a JDK and Apache Maven and a good text editor. The views in Spring act as the templates, which I've used using Timeleaf. The views in mine are the home page, the new post button, and the update post. They just show the data to the user in the backend. In Spring, furthering on from MVC, the model is defined as a Java class in the domain package. And then routes are defined in the controller package, and the templates are stored below the resources folder. MVC is popular as it separates business logic, presentation, and data store, and it is a good way to keep code clean.